nose to smell nice things and yucky things.
Things like smelly socks like my dad has. My mom says my nose is like snot making factory. If you stick your finger in your nose, it might give your nose bleed. I like getting a big breath in my nose. In some countries, people kiss with their noses.
The Body Brothers!
Oh, Auntie B!
Well, it serves you right for tickling my nose.
Sorry. Anyway, that's what I wanted to ask you about. Noses.
What do you call a nose without a body?
I don't know. What do you call a nose without a body?
Nobody knows. Oh, did you get it? Okay, like no body, a nose. Anyway, the nose has several very important functions, including...
Holding up your sunglasses? Uh-huh.
Yes, but also...
This?
Yes. No. Actually, that's brilliant. Will you show me how to do that sometime? Air!
What?
One of your nose's most important jobs is to breathe in air, and it takes it in through these clever little fellas here.
Nostrils.
Correct. I think it's time we had a closer look up your nostrils with my microscope.
Wow. Look at all those hairs. I thought only my granddad had a hairy nose.
No, everyone has hairs in their nose, and they do a very important job. Air has tiny bits of dirt and dust in it, and the hairs trap the dirt and dust and stop it going further up your nose.
I did not know that. Thanks, nose hairs.
Right, let's go even further up your nose.
With this, my body scanner. Behind your nose, there's a big hole. When you breathe in, the air goes through this hole and gets nice and warm before it goes down into your lungs. This is also where your nose picks up tiny bits of smell.
Hey, I think it's time for a brilliant body fact.
Brilliant Body Fact! Yeah!
Achoo! Oh. Did you know that when you sneeze, most of the sneeze comes out of your mouth and not your nose? And a sneeze can travel at up to 100 kilometers per hour. That's as fast as a car.
Brilliant Body Fact! Yeah!
That's what I love about Auntie B. She really knows what she's talking about.
Got your nose?
Look.